First of all, so sorry in advance. I'm making this video as soon as I got out of the dentist's office and my whole left side of my face is completely numb. I just got fillings done. But after I recorded the video, for some reason the audio from my mic was like cutting in and out of like being super loud and super quiet. So I just want to apologize. I'm going to try and fix it in the editing process. Hopefully it sounds good. And I'm starting to think to myself, I should try and record videos with my face numb because I feel like I sound so stupid. It probably looks normal, but I'm so numb on my left side. I am like, but this is just a forewarning of everyone watching it. I tried my best to get the audio sounding right, and well, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This right here is absolutely unacceptable, but there is many ways to fix this area right here. Now, I did purchase this car with the knowledge of it being a dent right here. And I was totally fine with it. It was at a good price, and I was like, you know what, I can deal with that later. So in today's video, we are going to be testing out some Amazon products that I ended up purchasing. I don't know if I'm in frame, but so I ended up purchasing a dent puller off of Amazon. It was super cheap. I'll put that in the description down below if you guys end up wanting to pick something up. And I'll go over other ways that you can get rid of dents like this. But first off, I just want to thank all of you guys who clicked on the video. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys stick around. Now, if you are new to the YouTube channel, my name is Keanu, and I work on various things. In the recent videos, I've been working on my lawnmower. In every other video, I've been working on the Lexus, and today is one of those videos where I get to work on the Lexus, which will be exciting because this dent right here has been making me so mad for the last year because it's just a sore. I want to get rid of it, but I don't want to have to go and pay someone to go and do it, whether that's PDR or whether that's, you know, getting body work done. I can do all of that myself. So that's basically what this YouTube channel is about. It is me trying and attempting to do things myself and teaching you guys how to do it. So I appreciate you guys. And if you are new, consider subscribing. And if you are a subscriber, I appreciate you guys so much. I do. So without further ado, I guess let's open up this package that I got from Amazon. Alrighty, so this is everything that I have gotten through the Amazon kit. Let's see, am I in frame? Yeah. So these are plastic punches for when you need to get that, if you pulled that dent out too far. And then obviously you have like the pulling tabs. Those are all these ones. Tool, I don't know what this, I think you use isopropyl for this. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, so that's everything that came in the packaging. Now this is the first time I am going to be attempting to do anything related with dent removal. I did end up purchasing a PDR kit. If I'm not able to get it fully done today and it's still like wavy or whatever, I'll have to wait until then, but for you guys it'll be just a quick jump. But until then, I guess let's try and get this dent pulled out and see how good I can do. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm not 100% sure which glue to use, so I'm just gonna take a gander and guess. I'm gonna use the clear stuff for this and see how that works. I hope it works good. So while that's warming up, I'm gonna find a piece that I think might fit that dent. I think this one. You put it right in the middle, right there. There we go. I hope that's straight on the, on the dent, because I didn't even eye it up at all. Whoopsies. Now, like I said, this whole kit was $45 on Amazon. So if this actually works pretty decently, I say it's 100% worth it. Now, if it doesn't end up pulling it all the way out and I still have like little dents here and there, and then I need the actual like PDR like pry bars or whatever, then I'd still call it good. I think it's still a good product for the price. But it's just you need a little extra tools. So I guess I think it should be dry enough. I'm gonna say no. Because you really shouldn't have to scuff up the paint at all, because it's supposed to be like paintless dent remover. You're supposed to be able to put it on there, pull it off, Bob's your uncle. Does anyone use that saying anymore? I actually see some dents on my driver door as well. That's awesome. Now, I'm actually gonna look up and see how long I'm supposed to be waiting for this thing to dry. It says to wait 2 to 5 minutes, or if you can leave an impression of your nail, then it needs more time, which I can. So I'm just gonna do jump cut until I'm done, until it's done drying, and then we'll try and pull this out. See you soon. Now let's say the dent ends up staying and the whole glue piece comes out. What next? You know, I'm sure that's what you're asking yourself. What do we do next then? Well, next I cry. And then I cry again. And probably some more. Okay, the moment of truth. If this pulls out, I'm definitely gonna cry. Son of a bitch. Maybe I'm supposed to wait longer. I thought it said like, 20 some minutes. It says to wait 2 to 5 minutes. Now, do you think if I blew it off with like some air, it would dry faster? I think I'm just gonna have to grab that PDR, like when the PDR like levers or whatever comes in, we'll have to use that, because I don't think this is gonna work, if I'm being honest with you. Product rating, can it be good? Maybe. Are you supposed to wait 30 minutes? Who knows? Alrighty, well, I'll cut to when we have the PDR stuff. So, it's about time. I mean, it took forever, but now it's here. This is a PDR kit. I know it took forever, but here it is in all its glory. Heck yeah. So yeah, we got all of these good tools and stuff, just so we can try and get you get the dent out of this door, which is pretty bad, all things considered. I apologize if it is too loud. Like I said in the beginning of this video, the audio has been tweaking like crazy, and I don't know why. It might be one of those things where I'm gonna have to get a different mic setup, but this is getting a little irritating sometimes when it comes to recording, because you want the audio to just come out fine, but it doesn't end up doing that. But so I got my little helper out here. Hi, Noverse. So yeah, got my little helper out here so we can get this dent out. And then I don't have any of the like lines that they usually use to like distinguish the dent itself, but I'm gonna try and wing it the best I can. And if I mess it up even more, then I do, and then I'm gonna have to try and fix it a different way. And then from there, I don't even know where that's gonna go. Let's go say hi to Nova. Hi, sweetheart. Were you just sitting out here, sweetheart? Yeah? Yeah, you just sitting? I put my mic down here, so maybe that's better. Are you just chilling out here, Nova? Nova? Sweetheart? Hi. How do? Hmm? Say hi to camera. Hi. That's my little puppy right there. You're gonna be a shop dog. Worst color of a shop dog, that's for sure. You get dirty every second of the day. Alrighty. Let's get into this. Alrighty. Got that door panel taken off, and if you can look through this little hole right there, that bad boy is the cause of all my issues. So, like I had said in the beginning, I am not a professional when it comes to doing this kind of stuff, so I kind of messed up. Unfortunately, it kind of sucks, but it's whatever. I got the dent to come out. It's just not how I want it to be. It looks like garbage. I'm not a professional. This is the first time I'm doing this, so it's going to be bad. Now, the only issue, or not issue really, but the only thing I really have to think about is what am I going to do with the door? Am I going to buy a new door, which would probably be the easiest option. Do I see if I can hire someone to actually do it professionally? Is it actually salvageable? Who knows? I'll show you guys in a second. Or do I just body work it and paint it? But the only issue that I see with the whole painting thing is that I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to blend it into the door and the fender, and it seems like it's gonna be a lot. So I'll have to think it over, but I guess for now, this is just gonna be one of those videos that's like I can't get it right, you know? It's just a fail, which kind of sucks, but it's a learning lesson for me, and I hope you guys found it entertaining. I don't know. So, but this is what it looks like right now. I'm not sure if that is actually salvageable or not, but I will say I tried my best, and that's all I can really ask for. So it is what it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to a car show this upcoming weekend, which is going to be April 18th. I don't know if this is going up before then, but if it is up before, I'm going to Milwaukee for Import Expo, and I'm going to be recording and hopefully doing some interviews with a couple of people. So that'll be more content for you guys. But for the meantime, it doesn't look like the Lexus is going to be entered in any beauty contests. So thank you guys for sticking around. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like, and then go down there and comment and tell me how much I sucked at this one, or tell me it doesn't look that bad. I know it does look bad. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.